mobile court was organized in this district. Regarding Chief Commissioner activities, in Person with Disability Act 95, there was a provision in 57 to appoint Chief Commissioner. Chief Commissioner have 4 duties to perform. First, grievance redressal. If a complainant, the bank people have any complaint towards central government, any department, they can complain for redressal. There is a court, quasi-judicial civil court or court have Chief Commissioner. In that process, first they can appear in court, they can complain through hard copy, through email, and third stage is mobile court. We have proposed for conduct of mobile court, and this court was jointly organized by State Commissioner Goa and Chief Commissioner Government of India. In this court today 91 complaints were registered, and complaints nature were some have their demand for transfer in their nearby home, village. Some complaints were regarding accessibility. Government of India on 3rd December 2015, our Honorable Prime Minister have started a campaign, Accessible India campaign, Sugam Bharat Abhiyan. Physical atmosphere should be barrier free for the young people.